The S&P 500 averages almost 0% in February, which means a lot of people are taking risks that they don't have to take. To be more specific, over the last 35 years, February had an average return of 0.1%, which is basically flat. And over the last 100 years, that is the second worst performing month, right behind September. Market fear is pretty much measured in two different ways. There is the Fear and Greed Index, and there is the VIX. Typically in February, the VIX goes up by about 5%, which means that there is some uncertainty. However, if you look at it this February, we can see that it's up 21.05%, which makes for an insane February. And it's one of the major reasons I don't do a lot of buying in February, because a lot of stocks are going down to their supports and oftentimes through their supports. And if you don't know what I mean by supports, well, a lot of stocks go up and then down, oftentimes that down being a new support level. And just because a stock is falling to its support level, that doesn't mean you instantly want to buy that stock, and let me show you why. Allow me to show you the ticker HIMS, HIMS. As we can see, it fell to its 50 simple day moving average, then it fell down to its 100-day simple moving average, which a lot of people tend to buy right here, and then it fell through that down to its 200-day simple moving average, and it even fell through that. This is called a falling knife, and you do not want to buy into a falling knife. This chart behind me is actually a pretty good example, because as you can see, it's not a falling knife, it's not going straight down. In fact, it's consolidating, and it gives you a couple good points for entry. What I like to look for are stocks that got absolutely beaten up and has a theme that matches with the current congressional agendas. And yes, this can be done ethically. And no, I am not a financial advisor, but I just ask that you guys be careful during February because it is known for shaking out new investors. And please do research on the stocks that you guys are buying. Just because someone else is buying it doesn't mean it's a good stock. And if you want to see how our group is beating the market month after month, along with our exact entries and exits, join our free Discord, link in bio.